This is Kavita Swami from Aditya Tutorials. It's been a long time that I haven't done any YouTube video. Yes, basically I was a little busy in training myself as well as training the right students so that they actually get the right path. If everything is right, then what is wrong? The one who realizes what is wrong in life, okay, he will really know what is right. The wrong thing in our life is you look into your state of mind, which is not going to support for good listening, for effective listening, which is not going to really develop the consistency. Whenever the other person is feeling happy, you will become unhappy, right? Whenever somebody is getting success, you will become very much irritated towards it. Okay, if these things are becoming wrong, even if you are going to look at the best and you are not going to digest, where is the mistake? It's not the mistake in the other. There is some mistake in the subtle, in the thought process that everybody is suffering inside of their life. The moment you realize it, you find a right mentor to calm your mind, to take your mind and make your mind the best friend. You don't have to always look out for the best friend where I can share all of my feelings. Sometimes we may get it and many times we may not get it. But the one who really strives hard for winning the real self, the self, is the one on the right path as per the advice of Lord Buddha. And I adore Lord Buddha's thought and I'm following the Zen, the Buddhism from many years, and trust me, this is one of the greatest assets in my life. The asset is not just in the materials or the fat bank balance. The asset is knowing your capacity and developing the urge of finding the real self within you. Otherwise, you will have always the people to get rated, judged, and decide that you are like this and like that. If you see whole of your life is hanging, the eye is hanging on what the other is thinking about it. Isn't it not a mistake then? It's a mistake. So if you don't know who you are, if you don't know your capacity, what you will do with many followers, with many friends and many colleagues. Let there be the people surrounded by you, no problem with it, but you should know yourself also, right? So in order to know yourself, all you need to do is you need to really get a master, have an interactive session, understand the real values of life, and stay tuned with improving yourself. And at Aditya Tutorials, this is very much possible through the different courses, through the quizzes, through the interactive sessions. And see, we have got the flexibility of giving you individual class, and yes, the payment and the fees are yes, it is going to differ. We have been only running online classes, and we could come shortly with the offline mode also. Okay, but I don't guarantee you the exact date here. Okay, we have got the classes for basic complete beginners and even like some of there is a teacher who is going to really guide you. If you want the classes only to be translated into Kannada and Hindi, so we can arrange you for that as well. But I'll be taking for IELTS, spirituality and business English for a higher version of communicative skills. Will be really taking off those responsibilities, and overall the journey of learning at Aditya Tutorials is going to enchant, and it is going to enlighten, and it is going to energize your soul. Thank you. Stay tuned and hit the like button and share this to anyone who is suffering just because of language skills, or who is suffering not being able to really control the mind and not being able to understand what to be done in this world. Thank you.